Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can disable push notifications for any application on Android. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, you're going to navigate to settings, and from there you're going to scroll down all the way until apps, okay, and then you're going to click on apps and scroll down until you find a specific app that you want to disable notifications for. In my case, I'm going to choose Instagram. I'm going to scroll until I find Instagram, okay. After that, I'm going to click on notifications. And from here, as you can see, you have something called allow notifications where you can completely disable it. And like this, any type of notification you're not going to disable, you're not going to receive it. But I do recommend for you to go on to notification categories where you can basically choose whatever notifications you want to receive and whatever you do not want to receive. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.